So, second thing you can do is just comment, just say what you think. The fucking thing is called honesty, which means be honest and just say what you think. That'll be perfect. So that's the second way of helping me. And the third way, which is the hard one, is connect with me and link me up with people who have that kind of interest. Link me up with writers, publishers, poets, just angry people who want to fucking change the world. I don't know, whoever. They don't need to be professional. I'm fucking no professional. I mean, I created this with words, with my computer. So let's just link up, okay? And that would be just amazing. So that's the message for today. I think it's enough speaking. People who know me know that I speak a lot. Anyway, I think you had enough. I really count on you. I really thank you. If I'm optimistic, it means that I'm also grateful. And honestly, thank you. See you soon, hopefully. Bye-bye.